3 dead in Lagos-Ibadan Expressway multi-vehicle crash. Kara, Lagos. A tragic accident claimed the lives of 3 unidentified passengers on Thursday evening following a multi-vehicle collision on the Kara section of the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. The crash, which occurred around 7 p.m., involved a truck transporting sugar that lost control and triggered a chain reaction of collisions. The incident involved several vehicles, including another truck, a Toyota Camry, an Isuzu mini truck, and a Honda Accord. Eyewitnesses reported that the truck driver responsible for the initial collision fled the scene before authorities arrived. Michael, a fuel attendant at a nearby filling station, recounted the chaos, saying, "I saw several injured passengers being rushed to the hospital." The truck driver, who caused the crash, managed to escape. Authorities confirmed that 3 victims, 2 women and 1 man, died at the scene. The injured were transported to the emergency clinic at Old Toll Gate, Ojota, for urgent medical attention. The Lagos State Fire Service was also present to manage the aftermath of the crash. The bodies of the deceased have been taken to the mortuary at Lagos State University Teaching Hospital for identification and autopsy. Meanwhile, a manhunt is underway to locate the truck driver who fled the scene. This incident has once again raised concerns about road safety on Nigeria's major highways, especially during peak travel hours. City safety reporters will continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as they become available.